We're here in Savannah, Georgia,
Good
walking
morning.
along the river. Good morning. Had some excitement last night. Next to our hotel, they were filming a movie. Huge movie set.
Yeah, big production. Roadhouse 2.
Roadhouse
sequel
2.
to the 2024 edition.
I think so.
Yeah.
The one with Jake Gyllenhaal. We didn't see anybody famous, but we did see him practicing to dump the car in the water. And it was pretty exciting. They eventually kicked us off the streets because they were going to film in our direction. So, but it was pretty cool until then. And we're going to hit a few spots here in Savannah, and then we're going to head home. But we just kind of wanted to talk to you about our season 2.
Season 2, 2026 of On the Hunt for Fun. Last year was our first time really being serious about YouTubing, and we learned a lot of things to continue on in this new year and things that we want to maybe do a little bit differently. And so just took some time off around the holidays to enjoy the holidays, but then also to kind of regroup and think of how we want to move forward. So
Right.
We're excited for a new season.
We're going to drop some things and create some new things and just kind of see what works for everybody, what they enjoy watching.
Yeah, and hopefully it'll just be more fun, even more fun for us to do, and more entertaining to watch.
Absolutely. Absolutely. So, 2025. You want to wrap up?
A year of learning.
A year of learning.
Gosh, we did some fun things though. We really took advantage of some techie assistance things. Learning to use ChatGPT to help plan our trips, to find things to visit that we wouldn't have known about without it. Just to make us more aware.
Things,
fun things like the Peach Water Tower and just things around Myrtle Beach that we went to.
Right.
Using the Find Coffee app to
That was
find
very
coffee
helpful.
shops. Yep, because we love finding local coffee shops when we can, and so that's a great way. We've used that already in Savannah today to find some local coffee shops.
And there's a lot.
Yeah, lots to choose from. But just, I think we had a great time of just starting to explore. Our hope for doing this was to not spend time just sitting around watching TV and
getting off the couch.
Yeah,
Remember that season 1 opener was getting off the couch.
Yeah, we just wanted to explore more. We love to explore and be adventurous. It doesn't have to be big things. It can be simple things just right down the street. But at least we're being active. We're doing things together and exploring either just around our hometown or out in another state. So
That's right. So
that's the purpose, and so that purpose continues in the new year. But hoping to just make it maybe a little bit more casual, a little bit more just sharing our experience. It's not so much to be a all-inclusive. There's some
great people out there that give you the all-inclusive,
like
all
a city
the info,
tour.
and we watch those guys too.
Yeah, and they're really informative. But that's not what we want to do. We don't want to tell you the best top 10, places to go in a city or whatever. We just want to create an opportunity to be more adventurous ourselves
and just show you what we're doing.
Yeah, take you along, and hopefully you'll want to go do it too.
That's right.
If you're new here, we're David and Khristanne, and we're on a mission to go on little escapes that create big memories. We hope you'll come along with us.
Last night we enjoyed walking down, what's the street called?
This is the river walk.
River walk to all the shops and everything. It was hopping even in January.
In the cold temperatures.
It was cold. But lots of cute shops, candy stores, souvenir stores, some great restaurants, and just a great boardwalk area to walk along the river.
We ate at the Cotton Exchange.
Mm-hmm.
It was very good. We had Tybee crab chowder.
That was delicious.
Very good. Very good. It's a little spicier form of clam chowder kind of thing.
Yeah, we had scallops, and you had a shrimp
po' boy. Yeah, that was good.
But today, the sun's out. It's chilly, but much more comfortable. And just a nice day to walk along the river.
Yeah, we're getting ready to go hit some more sites, get out of our hotel.
Time to check out, and we've got some places around Savannah that we want to go see before we head back to Knoxville.
Yeah. So come along with us, you know, as the saying goes.
On the hunt for fun. Spanish moss makes everything look so dreamy, don't you think? So I guess we're going to head out, and what are some of the things we want to go?
We're going to go to Forsyth Park, and we're going to the Wormlow, and we're just going to drive around some of the squares, I think. That's the plan right now.
Sounds cool. Cobblestone.
No. This ain't walking.
Sometimes you forget that you're walking on a street.
I know. You figure it'd be a friendly.
And it's which?
This is Monterey Square, actually. No, actually neither one of them. That's not them. Neither one of them is it. I don't think that's it.
If we could hear it.
Yeah, that's it. It looks different for some reason.
All right, it's on.
Yeah, this is where Midnight in the Garden of Good and Evil was filmed.
This is Jones Road, one of the, I don't know, famous, but one of the
Picturesque.
Yeah, picturesque roads in town with the trees overhanging and Spanish moss and some beautiful fancy old houses.
We can't wait to get this new season started.
See you next time as we jump into 2026. Follow us at On the Hunt for Fun by liking, subscribing, and hitting that notification bell.